Hi there, welcome to my channel and welcome to my spontaneous giveaway for the February 1000 subscribers. I did say I would do giveaways and I thought I would do one today. So we're going to be using our book of numbers, which anyone who's been commenting over February on February videos has been given a number, and they've been entered in all the giveaways that I do this month. Of course, they're also entered into the mystery box, which is drawn not very long away. I don't know what the date is today. It's getting towards the end of the month, I do believe. so pretty close. If you want to enter for the mystery box, which I will show you a picture of what that looks like, but there's a whole video showing you exactly what's in the mystery box giveaway. That's going to be drawn on at the end of the month, once the month's ticked over, so that everybody has a chance to enter by commenting on all the February videos that I have, and that way then you will get a number and you will be able to be entered multiple times through commenting. In the meantime, I've been doing these sort of mini giveaways, you know, every now and then. So this one I thought I would, I've created 2 packs of pages. They're a little bit similar to the previous pack, but there are some different items. We'll go through them so that you see what you're actually winning. There's something new in here, and there's a couple of other pages that I haven't given out before that I thought I would give away. So in order to enter giveaways, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, comment on any of the videos that for the current giveaway. You have to comment on 3 videos in order to be eligible to win any prizes in the month of the giveaway, so that we give the prize to people who are wanting the giveaway. So let's get on with what's in this prize. So as I say, there's 2 prizes. They're very, very similar. I'll try to show you both prizes of what's different. So they both get 2 pages of the small Edith Holden. So we've got May and July on each one, and it's got writing on the back, and then just one of the pictures, and those have got writing on the back. So they're very similar. I try to make the packs very similar. And then we've got the floral book that I use that's absolutely beautiful, full of wildflower type images. I've given you this time a picture, like a Victorian image. They're from address books. On the back it's obviously apparently got explanations about something. It's got some flowers you could use, or you could use the front picture, whichever one you like. So each get a picture from that, from an address book. There's a page from my children's Humpty Dumpty nursery book. So each get one of those. You're each getting a couple of napkins. They're actually different. They're just what was to hand. I'd have to get my big box down and find the duplicates. So but they're both pinkish, so you're getting a couple of pretty napkins in each pack. You'll each get a very large playing card, one of those huge jumbo ones. We'll come back to the envelopes, and then of course we've got stationery paper. It's just the pretty different coloured stationery paper that I love to collect from op shops. So you each get a little selection of those. So Mum and I went to an op shop yesterday, and I didn't find very much except this. I was very happy. Mum came home with a few things because she likes different things to me. But look, old time children's vignettes in full colour. So it was printed in the 70s, I think. Yeah, 1997. It's been used. Someone did actually use some of the images, and then it's turned up in an op shop. So I found a page, a couple of pages that didn't have anything cut out of them, and they're just all children's images, you know, like the Victorian scraps. And some of them have come from, I mean, I've seen some of these images in children's books, but obviously they're images from the past which have then been reused. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? So some really cute images there, lots of them. I don't use a lot of children's images in my work, but if I ever do, then I've got plenty to choose from. I've seen that one in a children's book that I got, Little Miss Muffet's out of Tuffet. But of course, obviously they used that image. She's gorgeous. So yeah, I found 2 pages. So that's the book. Yeah, lots of pages, isn't there? How many pages altogether? 24 full pages of children's images. Awesome find. worth coming to this shop just for this book, because I just love these Victorian images. So you get one of these pages each, so that's something different that hasn't been in the packs before. And I found these, I forgot I had them. I found these in a drawer. They're like they've come from old stamp books, or oh, this one's actually from you know those like photograph albums with the Victorian pictures, and they have one of these in between each one, because in the old, you remember the photos used to stick to each other a bit, so they put these in between so the photos didn't stick. So, but the paper went beautiful and crunchy and brown, so I thought you might like one of each of those. It's just something a bit different. Ledger paper. So I've managed to find, we're running low on ledger paper, so there won't be a lot, but we've got a blank one, a full page of the blank one, which sorry, it may have to be folded. I might fold it just a little bit at the bottom, I think, so that if you want to use a full sheet you can, and then hopefully that fits in the envelope. I should have measured it, but okay. Yeah, just have to fold it up here a little bit to fit it in rather than cutting it off. So that's really old. That's from the 60s, that particular ledger paper. It's not written on. This one, these both are written in, that one's in English. Sometimes they're in German. These ones are both in English, but different writing. But these were written in 1929. Some old ledger paper, beautiful colour. And we do have some of that decoupage paper. So you each get a one of the decoupage papers. There will be a little selection of my other language papers. So Persian, very dark English, German, Dutch. I think there's 2 Dutch books. A really old, dark coloured, caramel coloured. That was King's Row. This one's got the mathematical equations and the running numbers. So for your Marguerite Miller when they ask for things like that. So you each get a pack of those. Of course, there's some music paper. This one is the Schubert, and this one is the clarinet beginners sort of one, training one, and some pianola paper. I'll put inside the music paper to help try and keep it flat. So both packs will get some music paper, and both packs will get some of this really old Kelly's directory pages. I think it's a double page. Yep. So we can put that inside that, I think. So there's a brown one and a green one. Okay, and then we're left with the envelopes. So you'll get these, each pack will get these 3 envelopes, which are pretty much the same. Well, they are the same really. So in this envelope I have a little note card. It's really pretty with the apricot sort of flowers, and inside are just some bits and pieces. So there's a yellow rose. There's a couple of these ladies from the Victorian scraps that I acquired recently. A sticker, gold with gold on it. Each pack will get a Will's car and a Will's flower. So it's Will's cigarette card, and that one's Black Cat cigarette card, and one of my babushka dolls in each one, and that's just some note paper that's just gone into that envelope. So each envelope has different things in it, but each pack has the same. So we won't go through both envelopes for the set, but we'll just pop that over there. And this envelope has playing cards, similar to what I've given you before. So we've seen those before in previous giveaways. It's one of those art ones. There's a different picture on every card. Canasta cards, which I'll come back to that one. Flowers, the Parisian scene, the Holly Hobby, and the beautiful little bird card. And I found these, which I haven't given away before because I forgot I had them. So they're just like collector's cards. They were printed in the 1990s. This is 1994, the Coca-Cola collection. So I've got a big wad of them, and so I just picked one that had a nice vintage image on it. And this one here is the Campbell's Soup. Apparently they were collector's cards too, from 1995, and have vintage advertising images on. And then one of those cards that I got recently in my op shopping video last time, and it's just got this pretty edge, and you can, you know, decorate the front, you can color it up as a number. It's a table place card, and one of the lavender cards that I have a set of, so you actually get the same image. So they all go in that envelope, and that one's the same. And then in this envelope, really pretty envelope, Carol's Rose Garden. There's a bit of a tight squeeze getting it in. So just a couple of note papers that came from Your Creative Studio. They're Pride and Prejudice and Jane Austen. They're just sort of in that purple colour. And of course, a little bag of stamps. So it's 10 grams of stamps, of Australian vintage stamps from the sort of 70s and 80s, and all different. Well, they're not all different. There's some repeats because I've got there's a whole lot the same. So you will get some repeats in there, but at least that means you'll feel more like using them because you've got more than one of them. But they're I didn't check them. I just grabbed a handful and popped them in the bag. So yep, not going through all the stamps. And there's more in there as well. So yeah, quite a lot of stamps. It's 10 grams of stamps. So pop those in there. And yeah, they'll be, I've still got loads, so they'll still turn up in future videos. Or future giveaways, I mean. So let's pop those back. Oh, I'll pop those back in later. So there you go. That is the two sets of prizes. I'll now get the computer and we'll draw the winners from our list of numbers. Back in a moment. Okay, here we go. Got the computer out. It always needs a bit of charging up. I mean, it says it's charged, but it's not. It, you know, basically dies. So, anyway, it's working now. So random number generator. Cool. You just need to change the number of people we've got comments on so far. So it's 537 comments today. 537. All right, and good luck everyone. I'm just going to click generate and it will just spit out a number between 1 and 537. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 335. Okay, let's go through the pages. 335 is Debbie V. Congratulations. I know you've been commenting for quite some time. I don't know how long exactly, but I know you comment on many videos. Thank you so much. That's 335. So you are a winner, or winner of the prize, one of the prizes. Now I'm not sure if I have your address. I may or may, I don't know, I can't remember if I've sent you a prize already, if you got postage stamps or something in last year, but probably best if you could send me an email with your current physical address, and please comment below to let me know that you've watched the video and know that you're a winner, and let everybody else know that you watched the video too. That would be awesome. And also, people watching, just say congrats to the winners, and then it's a surprise for the people when they watch the video. I just think it's nice to watch a video and you don't know that you're going to win. All right, so that's prize number 1. Prize number 2. Let's do another generate. 1, 2, 3, go. 225. 225 is Jean Beck. Well done, Jean. So Jean and Debbie. Now I know that Jean comments on many videos, so they comment on pretty much every video, I believe. 225. So I probably do have your address too, Jean. I don't know for sure, so please send me an email with your current address, and also comment on the video to let me know that you've won. Congratulations, Debbie and Jean. Well done. And sorry to everybody else. I wish I could send a prize out to everyone. I did try last year. Last year I tried to send postage stamps out to everyone who commented, but eventually there was just too many. I had to stop. But yes, this is kind of like, instead of Happy Mail, that I do, you know, try to do a lot of giveaways, so that it's more regular and more people get prizes, and I get to share the stash that I have and all that kind of thing. So I figured that if I did Happy Mail, I'd have to choose someone, and then how do you choose and make it fair? So this way it's random, but it's, yeah, it's kind of like Happy Mail. Yep, so thank you very much to everybody for commenting and subscribing and watching my channel and pressing the like button and all those things, which really help. It's really awesome, and these giveaways are to reward you guys for doing all of that for me, for basically helping me. Thank you so much. So yeah, I just want to try and thank people as much as I can with these little giveaways, and that's why I do it. So it's a reward for your contribution, and thank you again. Okay, so let me just move the computer. So there we go. Thank you so much to everyone. Please watch out for my collage challenge that's coming up next week. I've got my Margaret Miller coming up next, sometime this weekend, hopefully. I haven't done it yet, so fingers crossed that it goes well. And yeah, collage challenge that Leigh from Leigh's Art Studio and I are co-hosting is due out next Wednesday, so March 2nd. Watch out for that. So Leigh and I, of course, will be putting our videos out first thing very early on Wednesday morning, and shortly soon after there will be a whole bunch of other videos that we can watch for the collage challenge. It's an open collaboration, and if anyone else wants to join in, it's not too late. Just watch the intro videos that Leigh and I have on our channel and in the playlist. I'll link the playlist below, and the videos to watch for the introduction to the challenge. Otherwise, if you're at home just watching, then you can just collage along with us. And as well, we have our new challenge, which hasn't started yet, except that Leigh and I have been doing some practices and some introduction videos for the Doodle challenge. So again, I've collaborated with Leigh from Leigh's Art Studio, and we have organized a second challenge, which is on the third Wednesday of the month. So you have two, one on the first Wednesday for collage and third Wednesday for doodles, and that's going to be monthly going through the year. So all you have to do for that is do a doodle, and for the month of March it's just do it on green paper. So it can be painted, watercolor, it can be acrylic, it can be scrapbook paper, digital paper, anything you like. We're just using the prompt green to make it nice and easy and open, and basically you can do anything you want, and we'll just use green. And of course there will be, I think Leigh said there's like 20 people who are doing the Doodle challenge with us, so that's going to be awesome. So watch out for the collage videos next week, and in 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time the Doodle challenge videos coming out. Leigh and I may do some more videos, I'm not too sure. I just do them when I feel like it. If I feel like doodling, I think, oh, I'll have a go and have a practice leading up to the challenge to get everyone inspired into joining in with the Doodle challenge. So there you go, lots to check out. Of course, Leigh and I both do the Margaret Millers, so that should be out this weekend. I haven't started mine yet. Is it Friday or Saturday? It's Friday today. Oh, thank goodness. I've still got the weekend to make my Margaret Miller video, and then I will be getting on to the collage challenge video. So yeah, I don't film ahead. There's always a bit of pressure on me to get going with the videos. I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.